Hello everybody! In this video I will be demonstrating how to use the Blender Sync system to place actors within the Unreal Engine more naturally using Blender's physics and animations. Okay, so we have this nice looking room, and for now I would like to add a couple more books and have these books be placed in a very natural way. To achieve this, Blender Sync system allows me to use the physics animations within Blender and export them into Unreal Engine. As you can see here, I have added a couple books here and enabled rigid body physics on top of them. Now let's preview the animation first. As you can see, everything looks very natural, and when you are satisfied with how things look in this scene, you just have to select everything and then apply the transforms so it is available for the system to export, and hit export level. Now all you have to do with Unreal Engine is just hit the sync button. As you can see here, we've got literally everything from Blender into Unreal Engine very fastly, very easily, a process that took less than 2 minutes.